Okay, you guys, let's fill up these Mother Day gift boxes. And for those who haven't seen them, these are my Mother's Day gift boxes. I found them at Target. They were just $5 at the Target dollar spot. I fell in love with the gold hinges on them. The gold is everything this year. And look at the back of it. It is in gold as well. So as soon as I saw that, I knew exactly what I was going to make with these. I was going to make a Mother Day gift boxes. They are great size. You can put hair clips, you can put jewelry, you can put watches, you can put hair combs, you can put makeup, you can put hair products in here. Look at the thickness of it. Look how thick that is. Look at that. That's a great size. And I knew I was going to paint it gold. Like in my other video, I wasn't sure, so you guys go check that out. I was like, should I not paint it? Should I paint it pink? Should I paint it purple? What color should I paint it? And then I'm like, hello, the gold hinges on there. I thought it would be great in gold. And they are Mother's Day gift boxes. So let's get started. Now, I kind of wanted to add this shred paper that Chrissy had given me before, but I don't know if it's going to be enough. But if it is, I'm going to go ahead and add it. I just want to add a little bit. I don't want to add like a lot. I just want to give it a little bit of sparkle. I don't want to take away from the stuff. And I think this is going to work out perfect. I don't want to take away from the stuff I'm adding on there. But I kind of wanted, I felt like I should have a little bit of sparkle, if I'm not mistaken. And Chrissy, the bestie, had sent me this a while back. And I wasn't sure where I was going to add it. And then I'm looking at these boxes and I'm like, you know what? I think this is the gift to add them to. It gives it that little sparkle. But I don't want to add too much because I want the product to actually fit in there. Because sometimes if you add too much, it gets bumpy. And then the product does not even fit in there right. It just gets bulky. But I do want to add enough. I think that's perfect where it stands out a little bit. If I don't like it, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to cut a piece of tissue and add it to the bottom, like a yellow piece or even a black one would be nice. So the first thing I'm going to add are these vitamin C. And I heard great things about this. One's from the dollar store. And this is a vitamin C facial cleansing wipes. You get 25 wipes and they have vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. I heard good things about these, so I'm actually going to ask my sisters to use them and review them for me. So I can see if I'm going to ever buy them again. Because they caught my eye, but I wasn't sure. The next thing I'm adding are these acne patches, and you get 24 patches, and they absorb oil and reduce inflammation. Now these I heard really good things about. I heard that these are really good. And I tried to get the same ones, but unfortunately I couldn't. So I end up getting this one instead. So the boxes won't be exactly the same, but that's okay. We'll see what they say when they open them up. If they give me any complaints. I am adding, of course, some of my hand sanitizers. I'm going to do the watermelon scent. I thought this would be great to give out. Okay. Because, and then why give out one? I'm going to give out two. Sorry, my throat. And this one is, I'm going to get the same exact one. Maybe I don't even have any more. You guys, I don't have any more of the watermelon. Okay. So since I don't have any more of the watermelon, I don't want to give out something that I don't have anymore. I do have more of the... Oh, I got this one. This is the rainbow. Is this the same? So I have the rainbow. I'm going to take these out and I'm going to do a rainbow one. I heard this one's a good scent as well. It is a, let me show you really quick. So this is the Rainbow Sherbet scented, and this is the watermelon. So I think I'm going to do this one on top. No, I'll do this one on the bottom and this one on top. I think I'm going to give them 2. Because when I picked these up, I'm like, I knew I was going to give them out. I wasn't going to keep them. I mean, a lot of people just keep them and collect them. It's really up to you. You can do that as well. But I think I want to hand them out. I like that. Okay, and then we'll put the watermelon back. And then I'll find a place for them. And since those are the last of their kind. Okay, so the next thing I want to add, because I don't want it to get overwhelming, is of course a hand sanitizer case. Now I don't like how it has the blue on there, so what I did was I took it out, and then it fits in here really nice. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest. I'm just gonna take it out myself, just so it fits in nice, so either way they don't have to do it. What are you guys doing for Mother's Day? Are you guys getting together? Are you guys going to your mom's, to his mom's, to grandma's? Are you guys just staying home and celebrating your own? So I'm going to put one here. And of course, I want the little handle to stick out right there. I think it looks pretty when it does. At least I do. How cute is that? Let me show you really quick my bracelet. Not pretty. Simple. Easy, and it has a beautiful cross. Okay, let's keep going. Everybody is going to get the same amount. Like, equivalent of a gift card. I wanted to show you these pretty money holders, or you take gift card holders that I made. How cute is that? If you want the template, email me and I'll sell it to you. Really easy to make. All I'm going to do is grab my money. Make sure your money is always lined up the same way. Just because I hate when it's not. It's going to go right in there. And it could go either in the front or in the back. I don't know if I want to hide it yet. It's just like a gift card, basically. You know how when you give each other gift cards? But if you don't have time to go get the gift card, sometimes there's no time, you guys. Give a little bit of money, just like it would be a gift card. I think it looks pretty. So the next thing I am adding are these silk scrunchies. You guys, I saw these at the dollar store and I could not believe it was a dollar store scrunchie. They look like the high-end, I think it's called cash scrunchies. You guys, these are better than those. I already tried them and I give these a 10 out of a 10. So if you have not tried these, I'm telling you, these are a 10 out of a 10. They're great. They don't pull your hair. They're silk. And they're amazing. I give these a 10 out of a 10. Sorry. So since I'm going to put the scrunchie here, because that's exactly where it's going to fit. And it fits perfect. These are amazing. I'm telling you, if you go to the Dollar Tree and you find these, pick them up in every color. They're great for gifts. They're great to keep. They're just great all around. The next thing I found was the cutest thing, and I thought it would go great with my color scheme since it's pink and yellow. Let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so I'm going to do the coconut hand cream, and this is also from the Dollar Tree. You guys, I heard very good reviews about these, and these should be sealed when you get them. They shouldn't be open. They should be sealed, like I said, when you get them. They shouldn't be open. So if they're open, it's because somebody already tampered with them, so they should be sealed. I know because when I went to pick them up, they were open. And then I kind of opened it to smell it. One was open and then the other ones were sealed. So I'm like, oh, these have to be sealed. I mean, they should be sealed. So I'm going to go ahead and add the gift card right there. Or the money for the gift card. Let's see if that closes. If that closes, this is going to be great. Okay. So there you go, you guys. We have these beautiful, affordable Mother's Day gift not baskets, but boxes. Sorry. And I was dying to make some a while back. I thought they were so cute, you guys. But there you go. I'm going to go ahead and you can actually customize it to where you want. If you want to go a little more expensive at $100, if you want to go a little less cheap, well, not cheap, but if you can't afford it, add a 20. Who cares? Do whatever you got to do to have the best Mother's Day you're having. Don't worry about anybody else or what they say. I guarantee you, if you show up with this, let me just make sure it closes. It closed. You guys, how cute is this? And nothing is going to move. Nothing's going to move from here, I guarantee you. Because the boxes are great quality for $5. As soon as I got them, I posted the video for you on TikTok. I posted the video for you on, what's it called? On Instagram. So you guys can go ahead and buy your own. I knew these were going to sell out fast. I knew they were going to be a hit. And if you want to find them, they are at the Target dollar spot. You're going to find them in there. You're not going to find them nowhere else but there. They're going to be right there, and they are at the Target dollar spot. Go ahead and make your own. I guarantee you that. Oh, and I have my Mother's Day giveaway coming up as well. So join that. You guys, I'm going to have a couple of your hand sanitizers that you guys love. This came out beautiful. I can't wait to show up for Mother's Day with them. They're going to love them. I'll let you guys know how their reaction, but I would love one of these. They have a little bit of everything. They have money, they have makeup, they have hand sanitizers, they have hand cream, they have a little bit of everything that I think you would need to pamper yourself for the day. And I am loving the color scheme on this. It's so bright. Make sure you guys join my Mother's Day giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Happy Mother's Day, you guys. I hope you have a blessed, safe, and beautiful Mother's Day. And until next time, bye, you guys.